The state of U.S. asylum in 2025, what you need to know. If you've been watching the news in 2025, you've probably heard about major changes to the U.S. asylum system. The Trump administration's slew of new policies and enforcement actions, like the suspension of the U.S. refugee admissions program and increased instances of expedited removal and long-term detention, are creating significant challenges for asylum seekers, especially at the southern U.S. border. In this video, we break down what asylum is, who it's for, and why it matters so that you can better understand and exercise your rights. Let's dive in. Asylum is a form of legal protection for people who fear persecution in their home country, based on their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. Everyone who arrives in the U.S., whether legally or not, has the right to seek asylum under U.S. law. If you are granted asylum, you can legally live and work in the U.S., apply for a social security number, get work authorization, sponsor certain family members to join you, and apply for a green card after 1 year. So who's eligible? You must be physically present in the U.S. or at a port of entry and file your asylum application within 1 year of your last arrival, with few exceptions. You also have to prove that you've experienced past persecution or fear future persecution based on one of the protected grounds. You might not qualify if you've committed serious crimes, are considered a national security threat, or were previously denied asylum and your situation hasn't changed. To apply, you'll need to file Form I-589, include a personal statement, and submit as much evidence as possible, like medical records, police reports, or affidavits from people who can back up your story. After that, you'll attend a biometrics appointment and either an interview with USCIS or a hearing in immigration court, depending on your case. Although wait times can stretch for months or even years, you can apply for a work permit 150 days after submitting your application. After 1 year of approved asylum, you're eligible to apply for a green card. There's no fee to apply for asylum or a work permit tied to your case, but you may still face other costs associated with seeking asylum, such as attorney fees. The U.S. asylum process is complex, and it's become even more challenging in 2025, but understanding your rights is the first step toward protecting them. If you or someone you know is seeking asylum, it's important to stay informed, and when in doubt, speak with a qualified immigration attorney. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more immigration news, tips, and insights. Thanks for watching.